How to check liked post on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see a check liked post on X step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option labeled as profile. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply scroll through the options which can be seen in the middle, and there you can see the option labeled as likes. So simply tap on it, and now here in this section, you'll see all the tweets and post medias that you have liked before. So here you can scroll through to review, unlike or re-engage with any post. And that's it. That's how you can check liked post on X. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.